welcome. Today guys, I'm going to be reviewing for you all this automatic vacuum sealer and food saver by Housmile. So this is the second product that I'm going to be reviewing for them. The first one that I did was for the pressure cooker. So let's open up the box and see what it looks like. Okay, so included in the box is the user manual, which is a very small, simple manual. And we have here the vacuum bags or the resealable bags. And in here we have 6 of them. Now this is the machine, and the top of the machine here you would open. And in here you would store your bags. So you would just roll it up like this. And you would store your bags in here. And this also doubles as a cutter. So if you wanted to cut the bags into smaller sizes, you would use this to cut the bags. And to open the machine, you press here and here. It opens. You remove your protective paper. Once removed, you'll put the item that you want to seal or vacuum in this spot. You close this down by pressing on both ends again. And then you would put it on and select the temperature that you want to seal or vacuum at. So what I'm going to do is I have some chicken, which is perfect for storing and sealing and freezing. So let's test this out and see how this machine would look like. And just some specs about the vacuum sealer. The seal time is 4 to 10 seconds. The weight is 5.5 pounds. The voltage is 135 watts or 120 volts or 60 hertz. The vacuum and seal time is actually 10 to 20 seconds long. So when using the machine to vacuum, you have to remember that the opening of the bag must fit inside this pocket here. It's the vacuum pocket, and you see this little device in the corner here. That is what actually sucks the air out of your bag. So when you put it, you have to make sure that the top of the bag or the opening of the bag is inside of that spot, and then you would close it down. Once you have that and you press the seal, then you can suction the air out of the bag. Okay, so to use the machine, press, open. I'm just going to take this back a little bit so I can have the space. So all you do is press down on both sides and you press the power button. Wow, that actually sealed it really fast. And all you have to do is press this release button. You press this release button so that this would open up. And here you have your item that you just sealed. And it actually sealed it really well. So if you guys have had any problems when you purchase meat and it has freezer burn, you definitely need to invest in a food vacuum. It really saves your produce. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review on this Housmile food vacuum saver, and I will leave all the information for this product down below in the description box, so make sure and check that out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my reviews. Enjoy!